Hello. I am Jackie from Melbourne, Australia. Are you getting started with social media business? My 3 simple social media tips. 1. Change your mindset. Social media is a great way to connect with customers and potential customers to form a relationship and start building trust. Foundation for successful social media business starts by having the right mindsets in place. The beautiful thing about social media marketing and digital marketing, in general, is that it is scalable. Your tweet or post could potentially be in the hands of 10 million people across the world while you sit on the toilet or take your family for a vacation. It's awesome. 2. Choose your content. Then you should think about what content you can produce. Does it match your brand? What's the tone of your brand voice? And what's the best format? Written content, audio content, or visual content? What can you commit to? Frequency matters, but you don't want this process to get so heavy that you can't keep up with it. You have a business to run. What type of content will connect with your audience? This is probably the most important factor, but the key is to find the intersection between what you can do and what your audience wants. 3. Select your channel. Once you've committed to an earnest effort with social media marketing and identified what content you can produce, then it's about selecting the right channel. Are you struggling to find the right social media business for yourself? Do you find it all a bit overwhelming? How can you possibly manage the online business with the limited time you have? Our social media business opportunity will give you a much clearer understanding of running an online business. It'll give you the direction, tools, and confidence to help you run a successful social media business. You are welcome to our free workshop which will cover everything we do and help you start social media business. Thank you,